So let's talk about the feature. There is two feature which we are going to discuss on this video. First is the collection feature, and the second is immersive reader. So now first we'll discuss on the collection feature, and then we'll discuss the immersive reader. So what is the collection feature? Basically, I'll discuss this with an example. Suppose you are making a document, and so to make a document you are searching a lot of things on the internet, and you are browsing different websites, you are collecting different pictures, different text, paragraphs. So you are, and now what you are doing, you need to if you wanted to save those pictures, first you need to save those pictures you are copying, you need to keep those text in the Word file. So this is something like very tough job, right? So they have provided things like they have means uh, Microsoft each has provided a single platform where you can keep both like picture as well as your text to be stored, and not only from the single website, it can be from multiple websites. Now let's see how we can save those things and make our life easier. So what we need to do, if you are seeing, this is my Edge browser. On the right corner below to minimize button, there is a plus button, right? Just click on the plus button. It will ask for collection. So you can create a new collection. So just click on the start new collection. Provide a collection name like work one. I have provided the work one. Hit enter. Sorry, hit enter. Once you hit enter, so here you can put drag and drop anything and keep it inside the walk one collection. So here also you can, if you wanted, suppose this website, if you wanted to keep this website inside this collection, you can put here. So for that, what you need to do, add current page. Just click on the add current page. Now if you see this is saved inside this collection. Suppose you wanted to key, so suppose okay, that's fine. Suppose if you wanted to if you wanted to keep this text, you can just select this text, drag and drop it here. So see here, it is available here. Suppose you wanted to keep this picture as well, so just drag and drop it here. So see here, you can keep it. So this is not only from one website. You can keep your things from other website, other tab. Like just I'm going to my first tab. I am looking for this Nelson Mandela photo. So I'll just drag and drop here. So see here, the photo has been moved here. So this is how you can keep your things safe here. And if you wanted to go back and you wanted to make some new collection, you can just click on this collection and you can create new collection again. I'll name it as a walk 2. So here I have walk 2. I'll add this website here. I'll just click on this. I'll keep this photo. I'll just select this text here and I'll move it here. So now I have all this information available with me. Now I'll go back. I'll see here. If you see here, work 1, work 2, both collections is available. If you wanted to delete any one of the collection, what you can do, just click on this and click on delete button. Let's see. Yeah, it got deleted. If you wanted to undo, you can just do that. Just click on the undo button. So it is now available here. So this is what the first feature, collection feature. This is very interesting. You should definitely use.